Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of RM Cookbook after a long break. So hope you all been well, and thank you for keeping in touch with the channel, and also thank you for your ongoing support for the channel which you've been giving us by subscribing to our channel and commenting on our videos and generally just keeping in touch. So today I'm going to share with you a very delicious recipe which is made with split chickpeas. So I'm going to show you how you can take a normal general chickpeas, split chickpeas from that shape to this kind of delicious dessert. So what I have done for this recipe, I've taken 1 cup of chickpeas, split chickpeas, and soaked it overnight around 7 to 8 hours. And now what I'm doing is I drained it, and then I'm just pouring 2 cups of milk, and I'm just going to boil the already pre-soaked overnight split chickpeas for about 10-15 minutes till they become slightly crumbly. So if you press it, it should crumble. And the way you know that your split chickpeas has reached to that point is when you actually just see the edges of this boiled chickpeas is coming to this translucent shape, which you can see the translucentness on the edges of it. That's when you know that it's basically nearly cooked. And all we're going to do now is just process it into a food processor and make it into a paste, and then just fry it into melted butter. So here I have got half a cup of melted butter, and in that, this is basically the paste which I made out of the food processor, and just roast it, and it needs to be roasted. And if you see that it's becoming too stiff, just add a little bit of milk, which would make it slightly softer. And during this process, we're going to also add around a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and to that we'll also add around 3/4 cups of sugar. So then just keep frying it, keep roasting it in on your frying pan, but the flame has to be really low. So it's just medium to low flame, and that's the reason it actually takes time. So it's a slow cooking process which allows the whole this paste of chickpeas become really nicely cooked and roasted. So then once it's done, just basically spread it on a pot like this, and you can actually sprinkle on top of it some chopped nuts. Here I'm just actually using walnuts. You can use walnuts, almonds, pistachio. It gives a very nice look to it, and it also has very nice taste to it. So let it cool down for a few minutes, and then after a few minutes it will look exactly like this. Then what I'm going to do over here is just chop it up into cube shape sizes. People also vary their sizes. Sometimes they make circle out of it or some other shapes or decorations, but I'm just going to make it very simple and straightforward, just cube shape sizes, and then just present it. It's really delicious. Whenever we make it in the house, it doesn't last very long. So I hope you give this recipe a try, and it doesn't take that much to prepare. And it's very easy, as I said. So hope you give this recipe a try. If you did like it, let us know in the comment section. And as usual, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. So till the next time, take care.